How to make your own iron dome. Yes, I will teach you how to make your handmade iron dome or do it yourself at home from basic simple components that are available from home. Okay, so basically actually you can go to the roads or junkyard and look for wooden crates. Look for wooden crates, yeah. Look for one. You can buy it for $5-10, or you can find it laying on the floor in the road somewhere, so you can take it for free, if you find it, or just pay $10 or so. Then go to junkyard and get yourself a muffler. It's like old muffler for $10-15, maybe no more than that. Junkyard, they may give it to you for free even, and then go to Goodwill and buy yourself a coat hanger. This coat hanger, sometimes they give it to you for free if you don't have money. Just tell them I don't have money, right? They may ask you, what do you want to do with it? I want to build an iron dome, do it yourself iron dome. They tell you, well, great, go and take it for free. Yeah, just put them in this configuration, and that's it. You got yourself an iron dome. You see, there is no difference. They are exactly the same. This one here, this one, this iron dome, and this iron dome, they are exactly the same. You have this hanger, coat hanger, and the same one here, they have antenna. Just don't forget to put an antenna here. So pull it away from somewhere and put it here. Hang it here, and that is and make some fire at the back of the muffler, just to make it look like this one here, and bingo, you got yourself a do-it-yourself iron dome at home. How much? Maybe this is for say $5, $10, 10, so 20, 25, no more than $30, right? You got yourself an iron dome, and then go and sell it to our friends. They need it very badly. Thank you very much. You have a great day.